What's up, y'all? This is Linda from Germz Be Gone. A couple of thoughts, really pertaining to socially responsible business practices. So what does that mean? To me, I took a finance course back in college called Ethics in Finance, and I think this is really kind of where it solidified my philosophy on this. And that's that as entrepreneurs, we have a duty to serve those in the community who support us, and even those who don't support us. When it comes to cleaning, for instance, I believe we have a duty and a responsibility as cleaners, as a cleaning industry, to make people's things, places, dwellings, whatever, more hygienic, to the point that it's healthy for them. It's not detrimental to their health. Such as traditional cleaning companies, they use, and they like to use, chemicals, toxic chemicals. There's all kinds of studies coming out now. And mind you, and not surprisingly, they're not coming out of the United States. It's coming out of Canada, Europe, places that have much more of a health focus rather than an insurance focus when it comes to healthcare. And those studies say that cleaning chemicals, especially on a daily use, using those is like you smoking a pack of cigarettes a day. That's pretty scary in and of itself. That means just by you spraying cleaning chemicals around your home, especially for you moms and dads out there who take care of the house as far as cleaning goes, it's like you're smoking a pack of cigarettes a day when you do that. Second, and I just read this this morning, just kind of prompted this next one, was that cleaning chemicals can make kids fat. And a study done in Canada is that cleaning chemicals have been linked to higher BMI, body mass indexes, or indices for kids between 2 and 3 years old. And they speculate that the cleaning chemicals being used are doing nothing but destroying the gut microbiome and biota down there. And from that point, there's no longer a real immune system to eat and digest the food that they're taking in. So their bodies become more, or I should say, resistant to insulin. So it can't break down the sugars and all that, and they become fat and obese. Gain more weight than what they should have at that particular age. All thanks to cleaning chemicals. So as a cleaning industry, we have to ask ourselves, is it worth our health just to have something sparkle a little brighter, or to have a stain removed? As a parent myself, as an adult, as somebody who believes that I am my brother's keeper, my sister's keeper as well, there's no way that I would use toxic cleaning chemicals when entering your home to clean. No technician I had would do it. Nobody would do it. So I'm out here walking, lunchtime. Not associated with the Germz Be Gone. Now, if you have something extremely tough, adhering to its surface, and you absolutely need it gone, say the oven's bad, or something like that, then what I would do, then, if you really wanted it gone, I would caution. It's toxic, it's poisonous, but there are chemicals that we could use to get that kind of stuff off the oven, the stove top, or the hood. But just keep in mind that when you use those kind of chemicals, and I would tell them this, when you use those kind of chemicals, especially in your oven, the next time you bake cookies or anything else that you stick in the oven, even if you store your pots and pans in the oven, they will eventually take on those same molecules from those toxic cleaners, and you start eating them, ingesting them, and your health really suffers then. So ask yourself, is it worth it? So when I talk about social responsibility, I believe I have the duty to warn my customers and you watching this video that toxic cleaning chemicals, they're just not worth it. There's enough toxic fumes and molecules and everything to deal with in our external environment. Do you really want to deal with those at home? You know, shouldn't your home be a safe haven from all that? Shouldn't your home be a place where you can go and not experience toxic chemicals and fumes and rejuvenate health-wise and rest-wise and everything else in between? I think so. If you're in agreement, you know, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with on your social media, share it with your friends, your family. Let's see if we can change the world. Get rid of these toxic cleaning chemicals. Of course, I would advocate for probiotics. That's what I use. But I would also advocate for things like essential oils, Melaleuca, tea tree oil. You can check out melaleuca.com and my link in my description down below. I just signed up with them because I was looking for some plant-based detergents to help remove stains. They had a few. So I picked a couple up. I've used them thus far on a few car seats, plant-based. Got a mixture of essential oils in there, nothing toxic, and really brought the stains out. If it didn't, it really lightened them up. And mind you, there's no brighteners in this stuff either. So check out all the links down below in the description. Subscribe, like, share, and until next time, stay healthy, stay clean. Peace.